So here we are with the Maxcom 30E, and the factory original mic is from 1985. It's probably about as central as we're going to get it. Good. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21, will be shortly.
Roger. I'm going to have to see how the distortion is on this, because it's crystal filter set and they do not sound nice when they are at close range sometimes.
Roger.
May also be suffering with Duff speakers. I've plugged into the extension speaker.
Roger.
Well, that sounds better.
Right, just passing the house, now recording.
Yep, roger on that, that's fine.
Roger.
So we've got a filter thing on this, which is a tone control.
Oh, roger that. Well, while I'm driving down the road, you can set the filter 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, it really doesn't make much difference. I demonstrated it on the repair video where it made a little bit more difference on the white noise.
Roger that. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Passing Ancaster service station at 148.9 unleaded and 163.94 diesel.
Roger, got you at that point.
Right, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that.
Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Right, I just want you to talk to me a second. I want to listen to whether I think the speaker inside this thing's done. If you're alright, I think external one. So just over to you.
Yep, right, so we're still going down the hill, just going round the curve on this bit. Still heading down towards down the hill. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, Roger, it's a slightly deaf speaker.
Ah, roger that. 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
I'm on a Maxcom 30E from 1985, doing a 4 watt output, and I'm on the factory original mic, over.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Excellent.
Going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Well, you had the Greyleys turn too.
Good. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on the Maxcom 30E, the one that you repaired the high-low power switch on. So we'll go on to high, we're on high power, it's 928 milliamps. We'll go to low power. Low power now, it's doing 400 milliwatts and drawing 480 milliamps. Back to high power, and now we're back onto high power, over.
Roger that. Well, there's not a lot of interference today, so that was, you know, very legible on both.
Roger, you must have fixed it good.
Roger.
There you go, right off you go, Jody.
Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, got you going off.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Rollsby level crossing. Over.
Level crossing.
Right, 147.7 and 159.9.
Excellent, that's fine, thank you. That's where the 1010.
Yep, roger that. 1010.
Yep, 1010.